Hello everyone, welcome back again. In the next video, we will be doing a quick overview or summary of what we have discussed in the previous videos. Again, just a reminder, this is a step-by-step process on how to edit a website. A website, there's basics of a website, there's the customization section, there's the main content edit section. We edit the products. There's also other basic settings as well as WooCommerce settings. Websites, there's an e-commerce website where the distinguishing factor about the e-commerce website is that it would normally have an online store, and the other normal website, it will just be content. An example of normal website would be construction firms, it would be law firms, it would be accounting firms where they are not selling anything online. They are just showing the services that they provide. To access the website, you can access the website from the front end where you are able to see this is what the visitors of the website see when they visit the website. The back end is where the person who's editing the website is able to access to be able to make changes on the website. And you need username, password, and the link to be able to access the back end of the website where you do the editing. There's a menu, which is the header, the body of content, footer, as well as the online store if they are selling products. The next slide is showing that in terms of the work that you'll be doing on the website, it will be changing the wording, the pictures, the videos, icons, and logos, as well as the links, which we've shown in the previous videos. A standard website header would have a menu about us, products and services, as well as contact us. We do not limit our clients to how many pages they can have. If there's more pages, you will just have to be able to figure out how to edit those specific pages. Like we said, to get the access to the back end of the website, you need to have a link, the username and the password, which you will input there. You click on login. You will be provided with something called Google form, of which when you open it, you will be able to find all the information that has been submitted by the client with regards to their website, and everything you just copy and paste. And in other areas here and there, you have to be creative in terms of what information you can be able to put there. We will also work on a system called Discord, where we do our work management and reporting on weekly basis in terms of specific websites which each and every designer will be working on. But that will form part of the onboarding process when we start working with you. Under customization section, again, you log in, you go to customize, you go to a specific website, and you are able to then go to change header builder. Click header builder and change the site identity as well as the logo. You can change the size of the logo to make sure that it fits to the website. You can also go to the footer and be able to make changes on the footer by selecting specific widgets and so on and so on. And when you are done, for as long as you've published, you can close. The main content, again, you log in. You must always click edit with Elementor to ensure that you are able to edit the main content of the website. The next steps, when you are editing the main content, you select a specific container that you need to edit. And on the left-hand side, there will be a portion where you can be able to edit such information. The button, you select the button. You can be able to change the name of the button. In this example, shop now. You can change that if need be. You can also add the link to ensure that when you click that button, it takes you to the correct link. You can select the container there on those 6 dots to be able to change the background of that specific container if you need to change it. In this case, if you want to change the picture within the website, you select a specific container. You can be able to go to style there at the top, and then you are able to change the specific picture for the website. Once you are done, everything published, updated at the top, you are then able to view the page to see how the website looks like. Under product edit section, you log in. Under the dashboard, you go to products, add new. After you've removed all the other irrelevant products, you put the product name, description, price, sale price if it's been provided for, and you are able to add categories for each and every website. You are able to set product images as well as the gallery for that specific product. If you don't have the images, you are able to upload the images. You select the files and you upload them. If you made a mistake on a specific product, you can just put your mouse and hover over the specific product, and you can click on quick edit so that you can be able to make changes on that specific product if you had made a mistake, so that you don't have to start everything from scratch. Very importantly, you must always click publish once you are done inputting the information to a specific product. Other settings, if you go to the dashboard at the bottom, the settings, you can add the tagline if it's been provided for. The time zone, you can always select Johannesburg time zone. You save changes. WooCommerce settings, very importantly as well. If you go to WooCommerce, you just hover there and you click on settings. You must change the shipping information and payments information if it's been provided for. Shipping information, you are able to add a shipping method and the price and the name. Under payments, you are able to switch on the EFT, cash on delivery, and if the customer needs that, and you are able to set up that information, and you must always save changes. Some tips: when you build many websites, sometimes you run out of ideas in terms of what you can put in terms of being creative with specific information, whether it's just a tagline or something that just makes your website to be more attractive. You can go to Google, you can use OpenAI, ChatGPT to be able to look for ideas as to what you can put on for your website. For pictures, we recommend that you always use pexels to ensure that we do not find ourselves in the situation of infringing copyrights. So please always use pexels for pictures that you need to add if they have not been provided for. Quick reminder, themes are different. And that means that sometimes you might not be able to find the button that you're looking for where you expect to find it. So you might have to do a little bit of searching sometimes. And if that happens, it will also come with experience in that you will be able to quickly find out where those buttons are. We want you to be creative, and we do not want you to limit yourself in terms of your creativity, especially when you start gaining experience. We want you to be able to build beautiful websites for our clients. And if you're struggling and if you've got any issues, our weekly meetings will be there to assist and provide support. At any given time, you are able to drop us a message where we can be able to assist you with anything that you might need for your website, any support that you might need to get your website done. That is the summary of everything. In the next video, we will just discuss the next steps from here for the web designers. Thank you.